Hey guys, KT6 here, metal detecting in Alaska. It's October 10th here in Fairbanks, and I'm gonna get out and do a little metal detecting this morning. Got home last night from a trip from work, and I guess our family dog died the day before, so I had to deal with burying her last night. And so it's been a sad day. So my therapy is metal detecting and making videos. So let's get out here and see what we can find. I'm using the T2. Teknetics T2. I tell you, I am loving this machine. Alright, so this is ground balanced and get busy detecting. Check that out. First target. A zipper pull. Looking like it might be a good day. Getting a crazy signal here. My first coin of the day, a dime. Getting a good 90 signal. Oh, look at that. Quarter. Big money. Another signal. Two quarters in a row. Well, first dangerous object of the day. Thumbtack. Does anybody out there know how much these are worth? I got a whole bunch of them. I think I'm on the right track. Alright, well, let's get this off the playground for sure. Well, not sure what this is yet. Look at that. Crazy. It's kind of weird. Don't know what this is. I just found a chain. I don't think it's anything special. It's all rusted up. Well, just found another piece of that chain, and then I found this. I guess this was what was hanging on it. Another old rusty nail. Alright guys, check this out. I think I found a ring. Oh yeah. Looks like a cheap adjustable ring. Whatever it had on the front looks like it broke. But hey, it's a ring. Third ring with the Teknetics T2. I decided I'm going to name this detector, since it's a T2, I'm going to name it after my best pal, Trixie. So this is good old Trixie the detector, the T2. Just found me ring 3, and I don't know what this is for the year. Probably in the 40s. Alright guys, let's work our way out of here. Hey, a nickel. Sweet. So check this out. Looks like a part of a chain. It was pinging in the gold range. I'm not sure what it is. Take it home and check it out. Well, working my way to the car. It was 26 degrees here in Fairbanks this morning. And with a 10-mile-an-hour wind, it's like 16. Feels like 16. And anyways, I'm going to detect along this basketball court as I work my way to the car. Found a couple rings along here before, so might as well give it a shot. Check that out, an old beaver tail. It's time for the roundup. Hey guys, Teknetics here of Metal Detecting in Alaska. This is everything that I found on my last hunt, which was the third hunt with the Teknetics T2. Man, I love that machine. That thing is a beast. I'm hoping to find some gold with that here sometime. These are some of the things I found. A lot of wire, a lot of aluminum foil. Found this huge thing. Not sure what it is. Some kind of actuator or some kind of crazy thing. A lot of pencils, batteries, a lot of bobby pins as usual. I was joking in the video if anybody knew what these were worth, because if so, if they were worth anything, I'd be rich. Found one zipper pull. Bunch of nails, old rusty nails. I like getting this crap out of the playground, plus old thumbtack. Check that out, found old beaver tail in there. Some pull tabs. Found this little thing here, what's it say? Snow Queen Elisa, or Snow Queen Lisa. Okay, I found a couple little chains, nothing special. Found 4 pennies, 1 nickel, 2 dimes, 3 quarters. I found a couple little pins that go to the back. Oh, these things that go to the back of pins. Found this weird looking little thing. I think it was actually on that chain. I'm not sure if it's a soccer ball or what. There's another little round object of some sort. I found this little heart here. It had some gold coloring on it, but couldn't find any markings on it. So some kind of crazy little pendant. And then on the third hunt, I think I found I think it's ring 2. I'm not sure. Just some kind of cheap kid's adjustable ring, and you can see whatever was on the front. Most of it broke off. But hey, it's a ring. Can't wait to get out and go on the next hunt. Planning on going out on the weekend in the motorhome again, and maybe going back to some places that I've been already with the Gold Bug and the F44, and let's see if the T2 can find something that they might have missed. Alright guys, till next time, good luck and happy hunting to everyone out there. See you next time.